Hi everyone, I'm coming on to do a card tutorial and it is using this lovely set from our new Spring Summer catalogue. I'm just going to zoom in a little so you can maybe see it a bit better. But it's called Incredible Like You and it's a very versatile set. You can see here that your fonts are typecast and then script, so it's very fun. We have got a bit of floral, we have got just some nice watercoloured bits, but they make some beautiful cards. A lot of abstract style could come from this and I really like that. So the colours I chose today are very happy and bright, and I used, I'll just show you, this was the main stamp I used, and this is the sentiment I chose, which is "So glad we are friends." So I kept the card base as just basic black. Bring that a wee bit closer. So it's a basic black card base. I have used just a bit of black seam binding from my stash, but you could use the black shimmer ribbon, or I think there's another black in the annual catalogue. Let me just double check that. The black glitter organza, that I'm sure that carried over. I might be wrong. Sorry, I'm a bit bunged up today. We've got the black, just basic satin ribbon, and we also have it in the, where are we? Shimmer ribbon, basic black. So you could use either of that one or here. It's completely up to you. As I said, I just used one from my stash because I couldn't actually find my black shimmer ribbon when I was making the card. So let me just stick my insert in before I forget. We'll just do it with Tombow since it's here. Turn it so I can see it better. There we go. Let's put insert in. Now, for the front, I stamped with Poppy Parade is the top one, Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point, and Gorgeous Grape. So it's a nice rainbow of colours, and it's so bright, it's not coming across on camera very well. Let me just see if I can brighten it up a little bit for you. Brightness, that's a bit better. Save. So that's the colours that we're using. So I'm just going to pop that on. First of all, I'm going to add my ribbon. Okay, so what I want to do is to have a bow at the front, so I'm going to attach both sides at the back, and I'm just going to use, if I can find it, a little bit of tear tape just to hold it in position. So I'm just tearing a little bit off, don't need loads. Oops. So I just want enough to grab it at the bottom and then hold it in place like so. Okay, then I'm going to bring that part over and do the exact same on the other side, just enough to hold it. then what we're going to do is take our snips, and just cut it in the centre, like so. And then I'm just going to tie a knot. You could do a bow, but I think because it's near the bottom, I think a bow would be too much. So I want it slightly off centre. Let me just pull that over a wee bit, that's better. Like that. And then I'm just going to snip the excess away. And two. So that's what we've got there. And we are going to stick that onto our card. I will take the tape off the back just to give me an extra wee bit of adhesive. I hope. Not playing funny beggars. I'm just going to get my wee pokey tool. Here we go. One and two. And for the rest of it, I'm just going to use Tombow. Just going to go up, down the bottom, and a wee bit in the centre. Then we'll position it on, and I'm going to go from the top because that's where I've got just glue, so I'll be able to line it up a little bit easier. Like so. And that's that. Then we're going to add our sentiment, which is where? Under the card. Yes, it is. So I have used the second biggest stitch circle framelit, and then I used the 2-inch circle punch, and that just gives me a nice central. Okay, so I'm going to put the sentiment onto the black with just Tombow. Then I'm going to grab my dimensionals so that we can pop this up. So 1, 2, and 3 I think should do it. Oops, sorry about that. Just take the backing off them. And I want to position it just over here, off centre a little bit. And that's it done. A nice, bright, happy card that you could use for all occasions. That could be a birthday card for maybe a teenager, or put a little imagery on it. I'm trying to think. No, my mind's just went blank. But you could use this for any age group. It would be absolutely perfect. I will try and maybe do a few samples over the next few days using the exact same idea, but with some different elements to it. So I hope you've enjoyed that, using really simple stamping. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.